Hey friends, happy 2022. Please excuse the black box on the screen and ignore it because that's where the camera was supposed to be and I forgot to turn it on. Atom is getting ready to retest its previous all-time high and to go even higher. If we have a look at this chart right here, this is what I would call a very bullish and good and solid chart. Always going up and to the right? And we can see when it comes back after this starting area right here, when it's coming back to touch the EMAs, it bounces back pretty quickly, and we see the same here. Look here, for example, compared to BTC, it went up very quickly, and compared especially to the micro cap coins, which needs more time for Bitcoin to settle before they push. Meanwhile, the larger cap coins can pump when Bitcoin is undecided but not dumping. So I really like this chart, and Atom, to be honest, this is no financial advice, but I don't own any Atom at this time, but I do plan to add it to my portfolio. It's a coin I want to accumulate. Unfortunately, now I focused on Phantom and I missed this, but actually this was a very good buy opportunity right here. Like I said, this is no financial advice, but this is a rule that I would try to stick to in the future. And when a coin I want to accumulate on the weekly chart will touch or go below the weekly 55 EMA, that's a good buy. And as I told you, the green line is the 55 EMA. We can see like every time when it came and touched it, it went only up, right? Here up, and for so long, right? In May, it went also to the 89 EMA, but that's fine. You will not catch the bottom all the time, right? But still at 55 EMA, still a very good buy, right? Only good gains after these areas right here. Look, incredible. And from here, look, if he's going to do the same stuff, like this is interesting. So it went 400% here close to 300%. Let's say this time it will go to 100%, going less and less upwards, right? And let's see if we can match this. Here it went through all these Fibonacci levels, and here it went close to the blue one. And if we do one here, this is a shallow one, is not very deep, so I would guess it would not be very difficult to touch the blue line. So yeah, most probably after breaking above the previous all-time high, it will come and test this area right here, which is close to 100% increase from this point. But like I said, I do not buy green candles. I do not promote that. That's not the strategy I'm using. I don't trade using breakouts. So I prefer to accumulate or to buy on the retracement usually. And this is what I see here. This is the weekly chart, like I said, and yeah, this looks like it's going to be an easy job for Atom. We can see right here the stochastic, it's close to 33 value right now, but going upwards very aggressively. And the same we can see the MACD, it's still very low, and it's not very low, but it's still low, but crossing back up. So I think, let's say the next week, so if Bitcoin won't dump, of course, if Bitcoin will dump, it will suffer, of course. But if Bitcoin will still go sideways, there is like almost certainly Atom will try to retest this $44 area, let's say by 15th of January, but that's conservative. It's very possible to do it maybe next week. It's possible, it's in the cards. Like, look, when it starts going on a rampage, it usually goes for many candles in a row, and here there are only two weekly candles, right? If we go and have a look on the daily chart, let me clear this up. Yeah, what do we see? We see a very nice breakout of this area right here, which was quite significant resistance, touching on all these points, and this time breakthrough, and now it touched this area right here. Like from here, I think like it's easy. It will most definitely come and retest this area. And afterwards charging upwards. I don't know if it will manage to go through the first time, but we can see it already. It's not the first time attempting to break this resistance level, right? If we do something like this, it's third time, right? 1, 2, maybe fourth. Yeah, so there is a high chance that this time it will manage to go through, and especially as I see the indicators on the daily, like I said, MACD very aggressively upwards. The RSI is getting quite high, but still look here, it's still far away from this right here. And the stochastic, it is up, but stochastic can do something like this in this area like it did here. Just look for how long, right? I'd like to keep this short, so that would be it for now. Thanks for watching and see you next time.